my drama class! Today, after becoming Foley artists and creating our own sound effects, we're gonna place them into actions. In theater, we use sound effects to accompany an action and help the audience understand what's happening. You can find sound effects in gags. What are gags, you might be thinking? Well, gags are jokes or funny tricks you play on someone. So today, it's really easy. You're going to choose a sound effect, think about what action movement could be placed with, and perform it while playing the sound effect. Are you ready to watch mine? Here it is. Hope you had fun, and maybe while you're creating yours, accidentally you create a gag. Huh? Wouldn't that be fun? See you next week. Bye!